In this video, you will learn how to change the battery in your glass break detector. You might need a step stool or ladder to reach the glass break detector. Some models will need a flathead screwdriver. Depending on the model you have, it may look different than the one used for demonstration in this video. You will replace one or two batteries. Before changing the battery, ensure your system is disarmed and placed on test mode with Guardian. Simply go to Guardian's customer care website, customercare.guardianprotection.com, to place your system on test. Locate the glass break detector with the low battery. For some models, grasp the faceplate and gently pull it away from the device, or insert a flathead screwdriver in the groove at the top of the device and gently twist to remove the faceplate. Remove the batteries. Insert the new batteries. Pay attention to polarity. Press the faceplate back into place until you hear a click. Now that you have replaced the battery, test your system. Once you are finished testing the device, confirm the test signal was received before having your system removed from test mode. For assistance, please call Guardian's Customer Service Department